Welcome to Nakshatra Adult Channel. Hey friends. Hi guys, we will play a riddle today.
How many months of the year have 28 days?
Is it February?
No.
Why?
I repeat the question again. How many months of the year have 28 days?
All the months?
Yes. All months have 28 days. Now the second question. What has hands and a face but can't hold anything or smile?
Is it a non-living thing?
How can it be a non-living thing? Whether a non-living thing will have hands and a face?
No.
You want me
Is it a clock?
Yes. Good. It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is it?
Chair?
No. I repeat the question again. It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is it?
Is it all the lunch? In school? In school.
It belongs to you, but your friends use it more.
No. Is it one small clue? Like school? What I am asking.
Everyone call you like that only.
Star.
It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is it?
It's belong to me. Now it is belong to me. Now also it is belong to me.
Always it is belongs to you.
House.
No.
Is it a bangle?
House and bangle, will your friends use it more?
Yeah.
They will use it. Your house, they will use it.
No.
Then think.
House. My things, my friends will use it.
It belongs to you, but your friends will use you more.
Water, fire.
I tell the answer. No. You want to try? Then tell.
It is piggy bank.
No. It's your name.
Nakshatra.
Nakshatra belongs to you, but your friends use it more.
How can it is Nakshatra belong
Your
to me?
name. That is your name, which is belongs to you.
It's not.
That is your name only, no?
You are fooling me.
Why I am fooling you?
It's belong to you.
How it belongs to
And
me?
not a belongs to me.
It belongs to you. Your name it is. Okay. Now next question. Kate's mother has 3 children.
What?
Kate's mother has Kate's. It's a name. Kate's mother has 3 children. Snap, Crackle and Dash. What's the Dash name?
Snap, cracker. Snap means what?
That is also a name.
That means
That is also a name.
no. Names meaning
That is
I
not
am
required.
thinking it's called like photo names like any.
No, no, not like that. Kate's mother has 3 children. Okay. First child name is Snap, second child name is Crackle, and the third one name is Dash. What is the third one name? You listen to my question carefully, you will get the answer.
Mom. Snap.
Snap, I've already said, no?
Once again,
You want me to repeat the question?
Yeah.
Kate's mother.
Stop, kids.
I am giving a clue to you. Okay. Now the next question. If you don't keep me, I will break. What am I?
Again, you can tell it and questions are.
If you don't keep me, I will break. What am I?
I didn't understand this question.
If you don't keep me, I will break. What am I?
I didn't ask you that. Is it a promise?
Yes, you are right. Now the next question. There is only one word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong. What is it?
What?
One word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong. What is it?
One. Is it correct?
If you listen to my question properly, you yourself will get the answer. There is only one word in the dictionary that's spelled wrong.
Spell. Wrong?
Yes. Now the next question. I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? I have a tail and a head, but no body.
This a pillow.
No. Do you play head and tail?
Means.
Head and tail.
Means. I know.
What it is?
Kind.
Good. But you're telling after when I give you clue. Now the next question. What 2 things that you never eat for breakfast?
Not anything. Food.
What 2 things that can you never eat for breakfast? It's just a fun.
Spoon and bowl.
No. That you can eat for your lunch and dinner. Spoon and bowl you can eat for your lunch and dinner.
Again, ask the question.
What 2 things that you never eat for breakfast? Now only I gave you the clue. I told
Breakfast.
you the answer itself.
Breakfast.
No.
Never.
Never eat for breakfast.
For. What? You. Think. You. Never. Eat.
Lunch and dinner. You can't eat for breakfast. That is the answer.
What is the logic?
Now the next question. Which word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Which word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it?
T-O. T-W.
It's there in the question itself. Which word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it?
Word. E.
When you add two letters to it.
E-R.
Which word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it?
T-W.
I said it is there in the question itself. Which word becomes shorter when
Shorter.
shorter when you add two letters to it?
Two. Letters.
It is short. Answer is short. When you add two letters ER to it, it becomes shorter.
E-R.
Now the next question. What's the capital
Mom,
of France?
Mom. Letter.
What's the capital of France? Why you are laughing? You don't know the answer.
No.
What's the capital of
Capital.
capital of France?
France. That's it, France. France is the answer.
France is not the answer. Capital of France.
Capital. There is this in the question.
What's the spelling of France?
F-R-A-N-S.
F-R-A-N-C-E.
F-R-A-N-C-E.
In that, what is a capital letter?
F.
Hmm.
Oh no.
You have to think like that.
Bye friends. I will meet you in another video.